What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to transform this selfie photo to become this vintage and also grainy cartoon style like this. Isn't that very aesthetic, right? How to create this transformation? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that you can use here is Nano Banana, and it is very enough to try this transformation using the Nano Banana. However, you can also try this photo transformation into your another favorite AI image generator. Let's say the Gemini AI, Quen AI, the Seed Dream, and Quen AI, and a lot of AI out there. You can go and also do the experiment with it. And also don't worry, because here I will also share you the prompt to create this photo transformation. And if you would like to access it via Google AI Studio, then don't forget to do the login first with your email, and you'll see the home page like this. And after that, you can click try Nano Banana down here, and you can start to upload your selfie photo, for example this one, and you can click acknowledge if you find this, let's say the information from this Google AI Studio. And after that, you can start to put the prompt into this section. And for example, the prompt gonna be like this: transform this image into the vintage mid-century comic book or matchbook art style, and also use the limited color palette with the muted tones, flat shading, and also the strong clean black outlines, for example for the all element. And also the texture should appear slightly grainy or distressed, mimicking old print, and also ensure the facial features are simplified but expressive, and also background are stylized with the minimal detail, and also reflecting the classic retro aesthetic. So this will be the prompt we have, and if you would like to use this prompt, you can simply give this prompt a screenshot, or you can also copy it from the description box. And after that, you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the output down here. This is actually the same prompt that I used before to create this photo transformation like this. However, with the same prompt, you can also have the possibility to have the slightly different look, maybe about the angle, or maybe about the a little bit color or tones, and maybe the smile line, or the, as you can see, this is the newest update or the newest output is more sheer, and the color of this one is more stronger. Which one do you prefer? And if you like it, then you can start to click download button over here, and this picture has already officially saved into your device. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.